Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can get bot lobbies every time in Fortnite. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. First up, you need to go to your friends section on your social tab, and right over here you need to go to your add friends, and then you just simply need to type in fun lobbies, and then you'll see a lot of fun lobbies with each number, so you need to add one of them. Once you add them, you just need to wait until fun lobbies add you back. So right over here, what you need to do is just simply join the party of fun lobbies. So once you just join them, so here as you can see, you just it will ask you to join the party. So obviously I don't need any bot lobbies, so what you need to do is just simply join the party, and the bot will start emoting once you join the lobby. And once they start emoting, you just simply need to do just after that, you just need to uh, leave the party and then just ready up on your own game. And once you've readied up, it will just give you pretty much bot lobbies. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.